you gonna pick some fruit?
Figs, honey.
Look how beautiful they are.
Donna, get the fruit.
Dad.
Here, that's for you. Look at that one. First one.
Yummy? We love figs.
There you go. Here.
Hello everyone, this is Ina with Innichka Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. I have little guest who will distract us quite a bit. She's tried to copy me. Everything what I do, she copies. She has her knife, she has her lemon squeezer, and she will work a little bit with us. And I will show you today what I'm going to do with my figs. Look how beautiful those figs. It's a time of the year where we pick them quite a bit often, twice a day to be exact. They ripe so fast, and I try to do something as fast as I can with them. I do ice cream, frozen yogurt, popsicles, smoothies, salads, many things. I don't know what I have not done yet with this beautiful fruit, but definitely not everything what I'm doing I share with you. So today I want to share with you how to make fig sauce. It's a quick, easy, and lasts couple weeks in your fridge. And I like to serve with ice cream. I like to serve over pancakes, waffles for breakfast. Oh, believe it or not, this fig sauce really like pork, especially pork chops and chicken. You can use in savory or sweet applications. So for this recipe we need few quick ingredients, easy ingredients. Lemons. Fig loves lemons. You need a lot of lemons. And in fact, I think we need more lemon zest than lemon itself. Lemon juice. We need sugar. I'm using 2 cups of raw cane organic sugar for 8 cups of figs. But of course, if you like sweeter, add more. If you like less sweeter, add less. And depends of ripeness of your fruit or kind of the figs. I have 2 different kinds. Turkish one, it's smaller, and black mission. So you see, it's a very different kind, and they taste different, right? Let me show you how they taste, how they look different as well. This one more gorgeous inside, but not as appealing outside. This one more beautiful black outside, looks very ripe, but it's not much inside. It's not as pretty inside. So depends which application you use for salad or for garnish. I like to make Capri salad even sometimes with figs, and I have some recipes I will link below with beets, goes well, and other recipe I will link below, but today it's sauce. And also another ingredient, we need cocoa powder. Cocoa powder, you will not taste, you will not see chocolate, but helps enrich little bit figs. It just like they just like together. We don't need a lot, just a half cup. And of course, good quality ingredients, it's important. Right, Matrona?
I put them.
I need your help. I need 8 cups. We need 8 cups chopped figs.
1 cup. I have, Mama.
Good job. My baby Matrona likes to eat with spoons this fig sauce, just kind of like people like to eat applesauce, right? And if you have baby, I would recommend to use maple syrup or maple sugar instead of cane sugar, and much less. And you do the same thing what I'm going to do at the moment, at the minute, and then you fill out those little pouches, reusable, sealed. And that's what baby Matrona ate for whole year. There was applesauce in my house. Can you try that? I like the one that's ripe and very soft. Almost mushy. Kind of like banana. right?
Havana.
Last year I published video sourdough pancake with figs and fig sauce. So what I'm doing right now is just a fig sauce in a much bigger scale. She's not baby, but she still like those poachers sometimes. Yes, I make that sauce yesterday.
Mama made that.
Mama made that sauce, yes.
Mama made.
Here's baby food for toddler. Okay? Now she's quiet for a few minutes. And cocoa butter. While it's heating up, we'll zest lemon. You need between 6 to 8 large lemons, but depends. It's all about perfect balance between sweet and sour. And when you get this perfect balance, sweet and sour, that's called delicious. Yeah. Now I like to cover and cook low and slow for about 30 minutes. Look at that. It took only 20 minutes and I think it's ready. No need longer. It's not preserved and I'm not going to can. It's will be staying in the fridge, so no need to cook to the death. It just cooked enough, and now I'm going to process with emergent blender. I think delicious. As you see, it's getting thicker. And the longer will sit, the thicker will get. It's beautiful consistency. And if you place in the fridge, will get thicker. And then if you really want more runny, you can warm up and have more runny. But it's wonderful. Sometimes I like to have on my sandwich in the morning, on my peanut butter. Actually, I don't eat on peanut butter, but you can put on peanut butter sandwich or really on anything, or regular butter, or on anything you wish. It's beautiful. I hope you enjoy this video, and please leave me comments what you like to do with figs, if you have figs, in case many of you who watching me live different parts of the world, and you may have figs and may different varieties, so please comment what you like to do. Also, I would like to mention statistic of my YouTube channel show 93% of my viewers are not subscribed. Please, if you're watching me and if you like, please subscribe. That really helps me. Delicious. So good. So good. I can probably eat with a spoon just like ice cream, quite a bit, but I have to stop myself. It's delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. Bye.